What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we are going to go over this wing nut driver set. We reviewed WORKPRO products. I believe this is maybe the third WORKPRO product that we have, but I have to say that WORKPRO makes awesome products. You have the case right here. Looks very nice. Has a nice clip to it. You can clip it or you can hang it, so it has the regular hanger for that. And then we're going to open it and voila. You guys, I love this. Now, the sockets are in a foam holding. There you go. Very nice. And I have to say, these are heavy. They're not light. So, it's not, I mean, it's a good price, but when you get stuff like this and it's real light, then it's going to break. You have a 9mm. You have a 12 mil, you have 15 mil, and then 18 mil. Very nice tool for you to have. Give it to your grandma, grandpa, whoever hang up plants, or give it to anybody that that uses wing nuts. Or if you use wing nuts, buy it for yourself so you're not struggling to tighten up all of your wing nuts or your hook screws and stuff like that. So let's go ahead, get into it. All right, you guys. So we are going to do a little review on these WORKPRO sockets. And I have to say that I always wanted stuff like this, to make life easier when you want to hang your plants or something. Now, this is big. All right. This is big. You may need to get a you may need to get a bigger socket. I have the biggest socket with me, 18 mil. So y'all see with the 18 mil. So you might be able to still do something, but it's going to slip. We do have more heavy duty ones, and this one is not a sharp end, so you will have to pre-drill. But as you can see, this is our 18. Okay, so this is the 18. So you see our 15 is basically the same way as that real big one. So you need an 18 for this size right here. And then I have another one here that is sharp pointed. Okay. That one is sharp pointed. And let's see, a 15 fits in there perfectly. Okay. So you pick the socket of choice that you need for the hooks that you have. Okay. So we're going to put the big one away right now because we obviously can't use the big one. And I'm not going to drill no hole, but I will put this one away too. But you see that it fit on this one. Now we're just going to go ahead and test this one out so y'all can see it work. Do a little hole. Don't need to be too big. All right. Let's see if it catches it. Yep. Twist it in. You see how hard it is to twist? All right. Whew. Now we want to make life simple. We are going to put this on our drill gun. And if you have like a grandma, grandpa, somebody that like hanging plants and using hooks, this will definitely be good for them. All right, so let's go ahead, get right. We are on, and nice and simple, you guys. Look at that. Need to take it back down, put it back on. This is what you need, okay? Your mom, your grandma, whoever loves hanging plants, hanging decorations. This is what you need. Look at that. You don't need to be doing all the or, get pliers and, even with this, it's on tight. All right. And then it takes time when you want to loosen it, tighten it, and all of that. It takes time. So you see that? I would have had it out, in and out 5 times already just with the socket. So that's it, you guys. Just wanted to show y'all the test of that. So that way y'all can get one for yourselves. I'll put the link in the description. Now, again, if you want to use, great. Now, again, if you need a bigger size, make sure you get yourself a bigger socket, because remember that the 18 doesn't fit on these big hooks right here. All right, you guys, so that's it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. But definitely a good Christmas gift for your parents or your grandparents, whoever love using wing nuts and like hooks like this. All right. So that will be all. Like, comment, share, subscribe, link in the description, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.